Today, I'm going to show you how to start a real online business, even if you've got no money, no experience, and no idea where to begin, so you can build monthly recurring income from home. This isn't theory. It's the exact model I use to make daily income online. And it's the same system that I've shown to hundreds of others who are using it to see amazing results. You don't need to build anything from scratch. You don't need to run ads, and you don't need to risk your savings. And just so we're clear, I'm not here to sell you some $997 course. All I ask is this: if you get value from what I'm about to show you, hit that like button, share this video with a friend who might find it valuable, and comment down below. And when you do that, I'll send you a private link where you get everything for free. My full step-by-step course, the done-for-you website templates, a free live bootcamp to help you launch, and an extended 30-day free trial to the software that powers the whole thing. 100% for free. So let's get into it. Whenever I'm looking to start a new business, I always follow the same playbook. Find something that's already working and clone it. I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel every time. I don't need to be first. I just need to find a proven model and move faster than everyone else that's copying it. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. I'm going to walk you through a business that's worth nearly $1 billion, and I'm going to show you how to clone it, even if you have no marketing experience, no tech background, and no team. Everything you need is in this video. The company we're modeling today is called Weave Communications. They're a publicly traded software company valued at around $930 million. That's nearly $1 billion valuation, which means the model's legit, proven, and scaling fast. They sell software to small local business owners, dentists, chiropractors, realtors, med spas, orthodontists, contractors, any service-based business that needs to attract leads and stay in touch with their clients. And the business model is super simple. They offer easy-to-use tools like online scheduling, review requests, web chat, two-way texting, automated reminders, call tracking, team messaging, payments and billing. And in exchange, they charge $300 to $500 per month, every single month, to access the platform. Now, if that sounds familiar, it should. It's like Netflix. You pay a subscription fee and you get access. You stop paying and you lose it. The difference here is that instead of streaming movies, you're helping local business owners get more clients, build trust, convert leads, and automate their follow-up, all with the software that runs in the background. But here's what most people don't realize. You don't need to build your own software to run this business. You don't need to spend 6 figures building a tech stack. I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing by white labeling a pre-built platform that already offers all these features. And I'll show you how to launch it under your own brand with your own pricing and keep 100% of the revenue. And yes, I've done this without writing a single line of code. No tech skills, no developers, no guesswork. Just plug in your brand name, plug in your Stripe account, and you're ready to go. So what I did for you to make this even simpler is I had a pre-built, professionally designed website completely done for you with all the products, the pricing, everything. Reviews, messaging, web chat, payments, all the different products and services that Weave offers. And I'm going to give you this website template 100% for free. Like I said, if you just smash that like button, share this video with a friend, and comment down below, I'll share with you a private link to get the free step-by-step course, the website template, and a free live bootcamp, so you can get this entire business set up right away as fast as possible. Now that we have this website all set up, what we want to do is white label a pre-existing software platform. And what white labeling means is you're taking a software that's already pre-built, pre-coded, so you don't have to go through and hire any expensive developers, and you don't need any tech skills or anything like that. You're just going to put your own logo on it, connect your own domain. And here's where it really gets cool. You can connect your own payment processor. So when you charge $300 a month per client, you keep all $300 per client. And if you go through and bring in 10 clients at $300 per month, that's $3,000 a month of recurring revenue. 100 clients, that's $30,000 a month. Now you can start to see how this becomes a really lucrative business. You can bring on as many clients as you want and charge them whatever you want. The platform takes 0 commissions. You get to keep 100% of the revenue, which honestly blows my mind because you're paying $297 a month and you could be making $30,000 a month with it, with very, very healthy profit margins. And you can see that this software does pretty much everything that you need. Websites, automation, marketing, membership areas, review automation. So like Weave offers texting, phone numbers, and payments, we can offer the same thing. Text to pay, missed call text back, reputation management, like your online reviews, two-way text conversations, web chat, a full CRM, which is basically a place for your clients to manage all their customers. Dentists, doctors, real estate agents, whoever you're working with, they all need this. You've got websites, funnels, blogs, contact forms. Whatever your client might need, it's built in, and it's getting improved upon continually. And over on the website template I already made for you, I've included pre-built pricing plans with exactly what to offer at each tier, so you're not guessing. Now inside the course, I also give you sales scripts, free outreach methods, client fulfillment walkthroughs. And my favorite part of all of this is that these services, like the review requests, the messaging, the web chat widget, they're basically one-time setups. But once it's running, it keeps providing value every single month. So your clients want to keep paying you $300 to $500 per month without you ever having to run Facebook ads, do SEO, write blog posts, post to social media. All that stuff takes a lot of time. But this model, you just leverage pre-built software and you still deliver massive value in a simple, scalable way. So there you have it, a simple way to go through and start your own online business with no money, no experience, and no tech background. All we're gonna do is white label a pre-existing software that's already pre-built and pre-coded for you. And like I said, if you just smash that like button, share this video with a friend who might find it valuable, and comment down below, I'll share with you a private link that includes my free step-by-step course, the website template, and a free extended 30-day trial to the software that powers this whole thing. And on top of that, you're gonna be able to jump on a live boot camp to get this entire business set up, plus a free one-on-one kickoff call to make sure everything's dialed in the right way. And now you're cloning a proven business model like Weave, which is $1 billion company. That means you can come in and grab a ton of market share, because there's tens of millions of small local businesses that need help with their marketing to get more clients, get more 5-star reviews, and benefit from all the other automation services that this software has to offer. So anyway, I hope you guys like this. If you did, once again, smash that like button, share this video with a friend, and drop a comment down below. And once you've done that, I'll share with you a private link that unlocks everything 100% for free. And guys, there's no upsells, no hidden paywalls, nothing like that. The course is free, the website template's free. You get a free 30-day extended trial to the software, plus the live boot camp, plus the one-on-one kickoff call to help you on your journey. So with that said, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.